working with Bangor University to deliver on a piece of training in relation to controlling coercive behaviour. And what's exciting about the opportunity today is we're actually delivering this through virtual reality. So through Oculus headsets, where officers will experience firsthand standing in the shoes of a victim and working through modules to be able to understand what controlling coercive behaviour is, and to be able to take that learning and take it back to the workplace. It's new to policing, it's something that we've never done within North Wales before.
It's really to heighten their awareness of coercive control as it sits within the context of domestic abuse. What we found is that people tend to recognise domestic abuse, people present with cuts and bruises in A&E, but they often miss the patterns of coercive control that could have been going on for years. So we find that when we put people in that position of the other, it engenders a greater understanding of what's happening to the other. So in this particular case, we're looking at victims of coercive control. We're going to put police officers in the shoes of victims so they will experience firsthand what it is like to be a victim.
We film the sequences with actors in scenarios which we cover with a 360-degree camera, and that gives a virtual reality video which we then use to immerse the users for the training. It's a different learning experience because it's immersive and it's interactive. People are in the 360 environment. It takes them completely out of the conventional training scenario. There are no distractions.
We feel it's really important for the integrity of the company to give these people a voice so that their experiences can be shared.
Controlling coercive behaviour can present itself in many different ways. It doesn't necessarily involve violence. There may be subtle things, financial control, not being able to do certain things, and it doesn't necessarily present in violence, so there aren't any visible representations that say that that person has been abused in the traditional sense that everybody thinks of, that domestic abuse is only about violence.
Remember, I've got the doctor's appointment.
You didn't mention anything about an appointment.
I think I did.
Nope. There's nothing on the calendar.
I must have forgotten to write it down, sorry.
You know, I'd like to know where you are. What if there's an accident, something with the boys, and I didn't know where you were?
You just must have slipped my mind.